Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take advanced delivery charges on WooCommerce website. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And basically for this video, we'll need just to add some plugins or extensions that would allow us to add these extra fees. And simply we can go to the WooCommerce plugin and then go to extensions, and from here we can find some uh, tools or extensions that would allow us to add these fees. So here I'm just going to search for the extra fees plugin, and as you can see, there is already many ones here. So you can have some advanced cash on delivery with fee or advanced extra fees that would allow you to add many type of fees for your WooCommerce, and you can choose any one that you would like and add it to your store. Or we can simply go to add a new plugin, so we can add some plugins that would give us this feature in WooCommerce. And simply we will wait for the search result to show, and here we have the same extra fees plugin, and I'm just going to click on install, and we are going to wait for the installing process to finish. We click on activate, and after that we will have our plugin, and simply we can just wait for the activating process to finish. And now you will need just to click on continue, and you can uh, check this one if you would like to have emails, etc. You click on continue and done. Now you have set up your uh, WooCommerce store or fees, and from here you can start adding product fees or whatever the fees that you would like. From here you can find your dashboard, and you will need just to add the fees that you would like. So I'm just going to add a new, and you can name it whatever you like. So here you can add the title of the fee. So basically it will be delivery fees or whatever you like. And from here either it will be fixed or whatever you like. And that's it. So you can add some rules to it, etc. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.